The weather's interfered with the move of the third section on Wednesday, but sections 1 and 2 went pretty well, and I was very pleased that the first section of 240 tonnes was lifted off successfully onto the crane successfully and then floated down here. So we're very happy in total the way it's gone.
The actual engineering process that you've gone through to slice it up and transport it, can you tell us a little bit about that, because that's very unusual?
Yeah, basically the U-boat itself is about 1,200 tonnes in weight, so you can't move it by road because the bridges won't take that sort of weight. Secondly, to actually see inside it, you need to be an Olympic athlete, so we thought by sectioning into parts of not more than 250 tonnes and then moving it. One is we can move it easily, but it also makes it fully accessible to people, so you can see what it was like to be in one of these. And the visitor centre will tell that story of U534 as well. So there's two reasons for sectioning, and we've used a diamond cutter to do it, so it's not a blowtorch, it's a very, very neat 10mm cut. So at some point in the future you could actually put all the pieces back together again and show it as a complete section, and we might do that in the future.
Really? It's like a giant jigsaw in a way.
It is, but very big pieces and easy to put together.
This is an extraordinary project. I mean, no one's going to see the like of this again, I wouldn't have thought.
I think it's unique. It's been lifted from the seabed, not by us but by a Danish company, but to have to cut it into these 5 pieces, bring it to here by river with all the tide issues and wind and weather, I don't think anybody else in the country has done this.
You must be pretty relieved that it's all finally on dry land at Woodside?
Very relieved. We've had a tense week. We've had 5 sections moved. This is the last one today, and absolutely on programme. We had a worry on Wednesday with all the gales. However, we've caught up and we're back on programme, and a great sigh of relief. The main concern was on Wednesday when, of course, with the extraordinary weather conditions we had, concerned whether that spread over for the rest of the week, because we had a programme to fulfil with the mammoth crane. That had commitments on Monday, therefore we were desperate to make sure everything fitted in this week, and if the winds had continued after Wednesday we might have had some more severe problems, but it didn't, and here we are, finished on time and on programme for the week.
You must be very relieved, man, this afternoon.
I think relieved that I'll sleep tonight.